Ladies and gentlemen, the next bout is at 61.2 kilograms in the elite men's MMA division. Please welcome in the red corner, Ehtiram Darishov from Azerbaijan. Blue corner, please welcome Жаныбек Abdivaliев from Kyrgyzstan.
So it's fight number 6, the sixth final at the Gamma World Championship in Bangkok, Thailand, and it's a fight between Ehtiram Darishov from Azerbaijan and Жаныбек Abdivaliев from Kyrgyzstan.
Белек кимге жакпасын? Остор дүкөндөрү тармагынан жаңы жылдык акция. Мыкты Vivo смартфонун тандап, кепилденген жаңы жылдык белекке ээ болуңуз. Белекке ноутбук, колонка, кулакчын, смартфон, дагы башка көптөгөн буюмдарды беребиз. Эң сонун жана эң башкысы убагында жаңы жылга карата салтуу түрдө белек үчүн Остор дүкөндөрүнө.
This is the fight under MMA rules. Neither Kyrgyzstan nor Azerbaijan has got a winner in the finals, so it would be the first gold medal from some of these two countries. It remains just to be seen which of the countries will get the first world champion today. Team Kyrgyzstan has 5 finalists in the World Championships, and last year at the Asian Championship, Kyrgyz athletes won all of the finals they were participating in. Leg kick followed by the punches by Жаныбек Abdivaliев. And now Жаныбек tries to take his opponent back unsuccessfully. And Жаныбек looks better so far. With high kick by Ehtiram. And now Ehtiram tries to make a single leg takedown. Now Ehtiram is in a tough position, trying to start his ground and pound from here, but Жаныбек ties him up, not allowing him to do anything from the top position. So Жаныбек works from a close guard. Last 50 seconds of the round number 1. Oh, it's a good position for Ehtiram, because maybe his actions lately in the round number 1 will bring him the victory in this round. But Жаныбек, however, manages to get back on his feet, but almost immediately he was taken down by Ehtiram Darishov. And Ehtiram is again in the guard of his opponent. So it was very good and well thought tactic of Ehtiram Darishov. Good round for the fighter from Azerbaijan.
Her şey qaydasında. Bir dənə laf var, deyir, sən bu qudarda tələsmə lazım. O sənə gələndə kimi o sən uzun başla, hərəkətdən başlayırsan bakovoy, olacaqsa onda sən sınava çağırıyorsun. Bildin mi? Onu tutacaqsan onda, güneşin onda, bildin mi başlayacaqsan? İkinci onda, bildin mi? Əlini aktif göstərirsən, yəni belə aktif göstərir, xarabı için başını ən aşağı, başını ən aşağı.
So the first round was unanimously scored in favor of the fighter from Azerbaijan, 10-9. Good high kick from Ehtiram Darishov. Now he gets more and more confidence. It was a good start of the first round by Janыбek, Abdivaliев, but now Ehtiram has more and more advantage. Good kick. Oh, and it was a very good couple punches from Жаныбек, Абдивалиев, and Эхтирам Даришов immediately tried to go for a takedown. Not successfully, but now Жаныбек Абдивалиев is more active because he needs to do. Oh, and he ends up right in the mount position. Back goes to the cage and tries to pull up the arm bar from here, but I don't think he has enough space and leverage from here, and he falls down, and now it's Ehtiram Darishov is in his guard, working with the punches. Oh, and that's a triangle. Almost immediately, Жаныбек Абдивалиев locks up the triangle, and it's more than 1 minute. It's a very, very tight triangle chokehold from here. You can see that he does everything just to finalize this submission. Very, very good submission attempt. So will Жаныбек Абдивалиев be able to? Yes, he is able to finalize this fight, and that's champion for Team Kyrgyzstan. And I need to say that today is the 50th birthday of the main coach of the Team Kyrgyzstan, Erali Askarbekov. So I believe that now Erali is very happy about this gift from his athlete. Congratulations to Erali Askarbekov, to his athlete, and to Team Kyrgyzstan with the first gold medal. Congratulations, Team Kyrgyzstan.